Hi, Big G's neighborhood. This is Miss Rachel, and we're going to do some science today. Well, we're going to use some water because Mr. Kevin's story time is about walking on water. First, I want to use this time to talk about something we've heard a lot about. It's washing our hands with soap. Today we're going to see why it's so important. We got a few things. You can do this at home. We actually have a bowl. We have some water, some black pepper. Just any kind that you have around the house is fine. Then we've got the hand soap, or if you'd like, you can use dish soap. It works just the same. All right, let's get started. Today, the question I have is, why do we wash our hands? Because there's germs all around us. Besides the dirt, there's also germs that we can't see, and they're all around us. We're going to ask that the pepper is like germs, because you can see pepper, but you can't see germs. So that's what we're going to use today. Let's first start by pouring our water into our bowl. Great. Then we're going to take our pepper germs and sprinkle them all over the top of the water. Because you know there's germs everywhere, but we can't see them. That's a lot of. That's all around our house. Can you see that the surface is full of pepper? I'm going to take my finger that I haven't washed yet and touch something around the house, like the doorknobs or the handle on the refrigerator, and we're just going to put it in about halfway, like we touched something, and ooh, look at all those germs that we got just by touching something around the house or out at the playground. All right, use a towel and wipe that dirty stuff off your finger. Now let's wash our hands. We're going to take a little soap. You can either squirt it right on your finger, or you can put it into a little cup. And I'll tell you why. I'm going to put plenty on my finger, get it on the back of my finger, so it's all on all the sides. I'm washing my hands for 20 seconds. Now I've got a clean finger. We're going to put it in and touch something and see what happens. Watch the pepper germs. Can you see that? They ran away to the side. Look. See? They're all on the edges. They ran away from the soap. That's why we wash our hands. Germs can't stand soap. You wash them down the drain and they're gone. So that's why we wash our hands so often. And in order to keep clean so that we can do the tasks that we have to do, like school or chores or just getting time to play. Well, that's our experiment today with water and learning why we wash our hands. I look forward to seeing you next week with the Big G's Neighborhood Science Time. Great having you here. I'll see you next week.